Dear students, welcome to the class of greater than ogive. In this period, we shall study about how to draw the ogive greater than ogive when the class intervals are given. Okay, this is very simple. You will get 3 marks for this question. So now this is an example for problem. So here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the serial number. This is 1 to 10 class interval. This is frequency. This is 10 to 20, 3, 20 to 30, 13, 30 to 40, 6, 70 to 80, 5, 80 to 90, 6, 90 to 100, 9. So totally if you add this 70 frequencies are there. Okay, 70 frequencies are there. So you have to draw a graph for this ogive. Okay, so now for this ogive, so observe here. So we have to find the cumulative frequency. So here 4 means what? 1 to 10, 4. So therefore 4 frequencies are there greater than 1. So therefore totally 70 frequencies are there. So therefore all 70 frequencies are greater than 1. So therefore greater than 1 is 70. So total frequency, here we have to consider total frequency. Then you have to go on subtracting each frequencies. Here consider the lower limit. Here continuity is there, so then take 110 like that. If there is no continuity, then you have to consider 0.5, 0.95, 0.19.5 like that. But here continuity is there, so therefore you can take 1, greater than 1. Greater than how many frequencies are there? 70 frequencies are there. 4 frequencies are below 10. So therefore we have to subtract 4 from this 70. So therefore 66 frequencies are there greater than 10. So up to 20 there are 7 frequencies. Therefore subtract 3, then greater than 20, 63. So subtract going on. 30 greater than 30, 63 minus 13, 50. 40 greater than 40, 50 minus 8, 42. Greater than 50, 42 minus 2, 40. Greater than 60, 40 minus 14, 26. Greater than 70, 26 minus 6, 20. Greater than 80, 20 minus 15, 20 minus 5, 15. Greater than 90, 15 minus 6, 19. Greater than 100, 19 minus 90, 0. So greater than 100, no frequency is there. So therefore greater than 100 is 9 by 9 minus 9, 0. So therefore last you have to get final greater than this you will get the 0. Okay, so go on subtracting. 70 minus 4, first is 70, next 70 minus 4, next 66 minus 3, next 63 minus 13, next 50 minus 8, goes on subtracting. Okay, then you will get like this. So then we have to draw graph for this. Take this on x-axis, these values on y-axis. Okay, so see here. These are class intervals. These are the lower limit of that class interval. These are the frequencies. So we have to draw. These are the points. P, Q, 1, 7. Q, 10, 66. This is X, this is Y. Okay. R, 20, 63. S, 30, 50. Q, 40, 42. 50. 40, 60, 26, 70, 20, 80, 15, 90, 9, 100, 0. So now take this on x-axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here take these frequencies on this axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So take graph sheet. Here I am not showing graph sheet. So now see how you can draw by using pencil, and then see the video. Draw line like this. Then make point, each point draw y axis. Draw y axis. Now in x axis take class interval, that is 1, 0 is there, so don't no need of 1. So next 10. Consider equal distance for 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. Graph you consider as 1 centimeter as 10 units, 10, okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 'Similarly in y axis same, take 1 centimeter, each 1 centimeter as 10 frequencies, 10 frequencies that are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now 170 P point represent the Q, 1066 Q, 2063, 2063, 3050 S, 4042 T, 5040, 6026, 7020, 8015, x axis 18, y axis 15, x axis 90, y 9, 100 0 on x axis. So now join these points, you will get a graph. So here decreasing, here decreasing, here decreasing. So join this, now you will get the greater than ogive like this. So take graph sheet and draw this. Don't draw in empty sheet. Take a graph sheet, it is better. If no graph sheet is available, then okay, because now see now the situation is like that. So don't now I want to find out the median. Median means 70 by 2, so 35th. So this is 35th. 35th frequency is the median. So from 35, draw perpendicular to this graph, then draw perpendicular to the x, then it meet at some 54, nearly 53 point something. So this is the median. So we can find the median by using this graph also. So 50 point something, 54 is the median. So now we can calculate. Already you know the how to calculate. So this is the graph, how to draw the graph. So now you can move how to find the median. So you know that how to find the median. Add 70. So 35th. Find the cumulative frequency. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 13, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 14, 44. Here 35th. 35th is there in this class interval. So therefore formula is, remember here I is there in last slide, that is missing. So m equal to L plus n by 2 minus fm by fc into I. I is nothing but size of the class interval. So lower limit is here, not continuity is not there. Here continuity is not there. So therefore here considering 49.5, 49.5, so 35 by 30, 14, so into 10, so 49.5, so 15 by 14, 53.07. Here I am considering, here class intervals are like 0 to 9. So if you consider 1 to 10, for that you can calculate, then you will get the same thing. Here slight difference is there, because I am here considering not continuing. Okay, so therefore I will get this answer. So if you get the continuation, then you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is verification. How can you find the verification? So here two problems are there. These two problems are solved yourself. This is no directly draw the graph. Take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on x-axis, this cumulative frequency on y-axis. Okay, so no need of finding cumulative frequency, because here no class intervals are given. So therefore these two are problems as homework, and thank you.